Alright, in section 3.3 we're going to solve multi-step equations. We're going to combine everything together and solve larger and larger equations, not just one step or two steps. Okay, we're going to solve multi-steps. Alright, key terms here, we're going to go back to like terms. Remember combining like terms in previous lessons. Also, the distributive property is going to come back here with these multi-step equations. Alright, so let's take a look. We're still dealing with solving linear equations, but more steps. Okay. Our first equation is 4x plus 6 equals negative 10. Alright. So what I suggest you guys do is we're going to kind of work in reverse. Alright. And a good acronym for working in reverse is called DLEAM. Okay. We're going to distribute first. We're going to do like terms. We're going to do inverse operations. Okay, and then we're going to, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay? Alright, so let's do this. Let's distribute first. Can we distribute here? No, we don't see any parentheses. There's nothing to multiply. Alright, so that's done. Like terms. Do we have like terms on either side of the equation? So look left of this equation. Look on this side. No like terms. Alright, 4x plus 6. They're not alike. Negative 10. That's by itself. Inverse operations. Well, not much here. And then we're going to add and then multiply. So we have addition here. Addition and subtraction kind of go together. And multiplication and division kind of go together. Alright, so we're going to subtract this 6 first. Alright, we're going to get rid of that 6 because we got to get this x by itself. So we're going to subtract 6 on this side, just like balancing the equations before. Alright, what I'm left with on one side of the equation is this 4x, because I got rid of the 6. And over here I have negative 10 and negative 6. Same sign, so we're going to combine the numbers and take the sign, and we get negative 16. Okay? So we did all this. We did our addition, subtraction. Now we're going to multiply or divide. Well, we have multiplication, so we're going to divide it. 4x, so we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. Get rid of this 4. We get x equals negative 16 divided by 4, negative 4. Let's check this. 4x plus 6 equals negative 10. We're going to plug in negative 4 for x. Add 6 to it. See what works. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Plus 6 equals negative 10. Negative 16 plus 6, different signs. Find the difference. So we're going to subtract them and take the sign of the bigger number, which is 16. So we have negative 10 over here equals negative 10. Okay, let's do a couple more. 6x minus 11 equals 19. Well, again, we're going to distribute first if possible. There's no distributive property here. So that's done. There's no like terms on either side. 6x and 11 aren't alike. No inverses, addition and multiplication. Addition or subtraction. Well, we have subtraction, so we're going to add. We're going to do the opposite. 6x equals 19 plus 11, 30. Now we're going to do our multiplication or division. We're going to divide by 6 to get x by itself. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. Alright, over here 2y plus 3 equals 9. Distribute? No. Like terms? No. Inverse? No. Add? Well, we have addition, so we're going to use subtraction. 2y is left over on this side. 9 minus 3 is 6. And then we do multiplication or division. Well, we have division, 2y. So we're going to divide that by 2 to get rid of that 2. We're left with y over here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Alright. In some cases, we're going to combine like terms first or use the distributive property. So let's use our acronym again. Alright, no distributive property. Like terms? Yes, we do. We have 5x and negative 2x. Okay, so 5 and negative 2x, we're going to combine them first. So we have 3x minus 10 equals 8. Right, now we're skipping here, we're doing our inverse operations. Add or subtract? Well, we have to add 10 to both sides. 3x equals 18. Now we're going to go to multiplication or division. Alright, we have division. We have 3x, 3 times x, so we're going to divide by 3. And we're left with x equals 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, sometimes you have to use the distributive property first. So, use our acronym here, DLEM. Distribute. Alright, we have this negative 2, so negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Alright, bring everything else down. Now we're going to do like terms. Do we have any like terms? Yep, we have like terms on this side. Negative 8's by itself over here. 12's on the other side of the equation. 3x minus 2x. 3 minus 2, x, or just 1x. So if x minus 8, can we add or subtract? Yeah. Let's add 8 to both sides. And we get x equals 20. Alright, there's no multiplication here because x is already by itself. Next one, still distributive property. Remember this negative 1 deal. Alright, we distribute the negative throughout. Okay, so we have negative 8 minus 6. Remember the signs just change inside the parentheses. Bring everything else down. Combine like terms. Alright, we have 8t and negative 6t. 8 minus 6 is 2, so 2t. We have this negative 8 here. Okay. Now we're going to go on to inverse operations, which we don't have any. We have addition, subtraction. Yeah, we have subtraction. So we're going to add to both sides. We're left with 2t equals 28. Now multiplication or division, well, we have multiplication, 2 times t. So we're going to divide by 2 to cancel it out, and we get t equals 14. Alright, I think that's enough. Why don't you guys go on and practice yourselves. Page 147, 22 to 36 even.